Now this is where I start to get anxious. Only 4 days to go. Hi, Michelle here from Travelling Over 60. Come join me on this adventure. Now, if you're following along with me, you'll know that we've already done this list. Pause and have a look if you want to check that you've done everything. This is the next list. Now, you've done all your research on your excursions and your dining. It's time to book it. Now, if you need a hotel for before you go on your tour, or maybe at the end of your tour, do your research and book that as well. Have you done all your shopping? Any extra clothes you need? Make sure you've done your supermarket shopping, the bits and pieces that you need to take. Organise your pets, someone to come and look after them. Organise the house, someone to put your bins out, collect your mail, maybe put a light on a timer. Organise some currency for wherever you're going. Notify your bank that you might be using your credit card overseas. Organise some transport to the airport, or if you're going to a port, check all your documents again. Now it's time to think about packing everything. Refill all your toiletries, pack your suitcase and weigh it to check what it is before you're finally ready to leave. Pack your carry-on. Medication goes in your carry-on. And the most important thing, pack your passports, your tickets, any bag tags you need to take with you, all those documents that might need to be printed out, print them out, pack them in your carry-on. Let's go and have a look how that packing went and how much does it weigh. Now let's move on to packing everything. It's time to redo all the things in your toiletry bag. Top everything up and get it ready to pack into the bag. Now you can see I've topped all of those up, soaps, conditioner, shampoo. I've got a deodorant in there, but I also have another deodorant in my carry-on. Now you might like to take some sort of a sponge or a washer because they have liquid soap in a lot of the hotels and on the ship. Now a brush, I'll pack that in with my hair stuff. Let's seal up the bag, just do up the zips, and then it's going to be ready to pack into my suitcase. Now my toothbrush and everything's in the bottom of this bag. Okay, now let's move this to the side and let's see the next bag. This is the little bag that I'm going to take in my carry-on. This is one I got from our last trip. Hawaiian Airlines gave us this with all the bits and pieces in it. I loved it, so I'm going to reuse it this time. So in here I'm going to pack, there's a hand cream. We'll put some hand cream in because the plane always dries your skin out. Some lip balm, it dries my lips out as well. Put that in as well. I didn't use the toothbrush and the toothpaste from the last trip, so that's going in. And a little packet of tissues. Now here's that other deodorant that I talked about. That will go in as well. And a bit more hand cream because I'm sure I'm going to use that. It's 15 hours on this flight, so I'll probably need more than just one of those little tubes. Let's seal it up. There it is, perfect size to fit in my carry-on. Now let's move that to the side, and this is my makeup kit. Now I've got lots of bits and pieces in here and I might revamp this. I need to go and fill up the cotton tips and the makeup wipes. I have a few bits and pieces in here that I might be able to take out and just make it a bit smaller. Some perfumes and lipsticks and things. And of course in this end one I have just a few more bits and pieces that I can separate off. Let's zip it up, ready to pack in the suitcase. Now these two bags, they won't weigh very much. I still haven't told you how much is in my suitcase. Now, I did forget one thing. My hair wrap. You know how I like a hair wrap. So this is the one I'm going to be taking. It's only small. I'll just roll it up and put it in the other toiletry bag. It's time to pack the suitcase. It's so close now. Okay, My packing cubes are all packed. Let's put them in the suitcase and weigh how much it weighs. We'll start in this side. Now, if you've been watching my other videos, I've done a packing cube video. You might like to go and have a look at that. We just squish them in to all these corners like this. This is the light jacket that I said I would place in and around the cubes, and I still have space for shoes. I haven't got my shoes out yet. Okay, now I'll zip this up in a minute. Oh, don't forget Apple AirTag. That's to keep track of my suitcase while we're traveling. In this side, laundry sheet that keeps everything smelling nice. The big cubes push into the edges, and I still have space around the edges for some more things, some of my gadgets, and also some space for any other shoes that may not fit in. Okay, we've zipped the bag up. We zipped up inside and strapped everything down. I've zipped up the outside. Now, hubby's going to come in and weigh this for me with his most favourite thing, the scales. Now, let's see. Here it is. This is going to tell us, will it be 20 kilos or under? Off you go. Countdown is on. Oh yes, it's only 15 kilos. I could pack so much more in 5 kilos. Oh wait, I haven't put shoes in yet. Let's keep going. Now I'm starting to pack my carry-on bag. Here it is. Here's my jacket. The jacket has to go into this little tiny sack. Let's give it a go. Put in, arms across, and like this. And then in the shop they told me to roll it tight, just like a sleeping bag when you go camping. Okay, let's see if I can get this over the top. Okay. Yes, I did it. Here we are. I'm ready to pack the carry-on. So first of all, I'm going to put in my medication. In case you've watched my other videos, you'll know this is my trusty carry-on bag. Can turn into a backpack. It also has a handle and wheels so I can wheel it. The sides will close up, which I'll show you in a minute. But I'm going to pack the bottom bit first. In goes the medication. Don't forget, we have a portion that's on a cruise. So we have Quells. I have something for headaches, something in case you get a urinary tract infection, something for gastro. I have some tablets in here in case we get seasick, that will calm our bellies. Some antibiotics, something for hay fever. I have something for a cough. And I'm also going to pack some COVID tests in case we have to check for COVID, because apparently they're very expensive overseas. So I'm taking some with me. And then all my normal medication, blood pressure tablets. Don't forget, you might eat strange foods while you're away. You might like to take something like Nexium or something for reflux. Okay, so that's going to go in there. Like that. Something, this is magnesium that helps me sleep, so I'm going to take that. I have these just to suck as a cough lolly in case we do get a bit of a sore throat. Some lollies for the plane. I like to chew a lolly when we're landing and taking off. I also have asthma medication. If you're an asthmatic, don't forget to take that. And then I like to have an outfit packed in here as well. I'm just going to move all this up and put this on the bottom because I won't need to access it in the plane. So I did manage to sneak in an extra outfit. So a pair of jeans, a shirt, and another jumper. Here's my beanie for my head, my gloves I'm putting inside, the beanie will go in, a scarf to go in there as well. We'll just pack that in like that, and then I will show you how this does up at the side. So on the side here you'll see it has like Velcro there, and it has Velcro on the side. So it's a bit hard to do while we're videoing, but you just match up the Velcro and push it down like that on both sides, and then it gives it like a sealed little pouch, I suppose, rather than an open, flip open sort of bag. There we go. And then zip that up on either side. Then will allow me, I won't put it in yet, but that will allow me to push that in there as well. But I won't put it in just yet because I want to pack the other pockets. Now in this pocket here, I have a little padded section there that's really good for my iPad. So I'm going to put my iPad in there. Now you know I like to travel with a trusty folder. This is my folder for this trip. In my folder it has all my receipts for everything. It has my itinerary, my visas. It tells me our flights. Even though a lot of this is on our phone, I still like to take a printed out copy. I know that seems like overkill and there's an awful lot in here, but I do take that as well. And that goes in that pocket as well. Selfie stick, don't forget that. My headphones, here they are. Headphones will go in there. And microphone, all my cables for the headphones, all my other cables that I have to charge my phones, my watches and things. My solar charger will fit in there as well. I'm not packing this very well, but they do all fit in. And this is my new adapter that I have, which I'm going to give to hubby. He's going to pack it in his luggage. That goes over there. Okay. And then this I will be wearing. This was my new gadget that I've got that will strap on, and straps on that way. And then I'll put my phone in here and be able to video when I'm getting on the plane. So I'll be wearing that. I know. Okay, so that's all in that pocket. We zip this pocket up. And then don't forget your passports. It's really, really important. Hopefully you've checked that you've got at least 6 months from when you return to your destination on your passport. That's what needs to be on it. So we've already checked that. Ours aren't running out just yet. Put that in there. It has my little bit of string on it, so I can just pull it out like that. And there's just a little pocket in there that I've got to get past. There it is. I have a book which might be pushing it a bit to fit in my carry-on, but I'll give that to hubby to put in his carry-on. And then these are, one of these is for my husband, one of these is for me, his and hers again. And it's just got our lip balm and our moisturizer and that I've already showed you. So that's to go in. Definitely some wipes, because when I get on the plane, I will wipe everything over. I know they've cleaned it, but I will wipe everything over. So that will go in there. And I think that's it. We are ready to go. Okay, I just want to let you know how the videos are going to run when I'm overseas. Sometimes the internet around is really bad. It takes a long time to load up these videos. So I think what I'm going to do, and remembering this is my holiday, I want to enjoy where we are and what we're doing. So I'm still going to be videoing as we're traveling around, but what I'll be posting will just be a little short each day to give you a glimpse of where I am and what I'm doing. And then when I get back off the holiday, I'll upload all those long videos that I'm sure you can't wait to see. So you'll get little shorts while I'm away, and then you'll get an edited video when I get back from overseas, and I can upload it on my own internet. I'm looking forward to sharing it all with you. Thanks for following along with me. I really appreciate your support. We're nearly at 200 subscribers. I never thought I'd even get 100. So don't forget, if you want to share this with someone, feel free, share it. There's a button underneath the videos. Hit that share button. Let your friends come along the adventure as well. Thanks for your support.